court. Yes.
I have filed a motion.
What file a motion?
I filed a motion.
To arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case. I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself
as a lawyer.
Who
withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services in the case.
Yes. We are judge. Then
yes. At any point,
I know.
I have a right.
Reason here then. Counsel, we are aware of letterway.
Me and a mutual letter. Okay. From Attorney General, in line with the law.
Okay. In all request to Attorney General.
Yes.
We requested for a drop of the charges. No plea bargain. We need to drop the charges and answer them.
The attorney said, the law gives you the platform to go into negotiations. It is through the negotiation and you be caught into terms.
Yes.
And to the terms of the negotiation would be consideration of one of these. And for now, and design terms of the negotiation. And why are we in a hurry to prescribe one of them for us when we have not indicated a preference?
Okay. In the request to the age, why
you are not required.
You are not required.
You are not required.
That's fine.
You just initiate.
That's fine. Most starting negotiations now, then it will lead to the
terms, and the end deliverable will be the end product.
Yes. Are you by this saying, sir? Said because me kaisa plea bargaining act many Attorney General then in common. The understanding I got, they say this act is to expand on the provisions in the Court Act Section 35, which provision also says when the agreement is made between between the accused person and the Attorney General, that agreement will be sent
between the accused person and the prosecutor, because it may well be that
the prosecutor
may not be attended.
That's fine. And the prosecutor, what is that agreement? They court.
Yes.
When the court adopts that agreement,
that becomes the decision of the court. That becomes
the decision of the court. But that would also mean, you would be convicted.
No. If the decision of the if the negotiated position is a withdrawal of the charges, then where is the conviction?
Okay. When the charges are withdrawn, then there can be no conviction.
There can be no conviction.
Okay.
We need to have understanding of some of these things, because speculation worrying. And the criminal justice system, we are careful. The way we encourage people to, propagate with some provisions of the law. And yet, and appear could be, external hands about into a criminal jurisprudence and your crowd. In fact, external hands created by a constitutional law Munukrano. A higher basic no.
Abusiana afeyem kwatie die ntia lawyer and the appear kubi was so filing motion opese or training home free chairman Wontumi case or train judgment on 3rd July at se wono na dimu ntintimaya frefre witness near day say die was so training home free sa case nim yentie die ntra.
So there's one time a person will clarify on
let's go back on plea bargain.
So this plea bargain in relation to which case? Yenim said the state is in court with Wontumi on 2 cases. In relation with
this is in relation with Republic versus Wontumi
and two others on Exim Bank. Where Samra
anyway. Okay. Now, Obi, and come picture say back court to know about proceedings in
Sure.
In those cases, I can share with you the record of proceedings in the cases. But but can we honestly convict on the records? Now, I know the NTV calling.
Fortunately, the record is what is before the judge.
Yes.
And the judge will not be minded.
I always cry that I pray that the court is a court.
Yeah.
That is my prayer. The only prayer that I do, they say, let us see a court making a pronouncement based on evidence.
Yeah. The evidence before the
court.
And not what is
outside the court. And not at the whims of somebody who is outside the court. Now, where you miss my I hear ya the bibaya so.
Yeah. In the for Samurai Boy the end there, we are all waiting for July 3rd. Our court
Samurai Boy
yes.
I have filed a motion.
What file a motion?
I filed a motion
to arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case. I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself
as a lawyer.
As lawyer.
Who withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services.
Case
in the case.
Yes. We are judge. Then
yes. At any point.
I know.
I have a right.
Reason here then.
My reasons are in the affidavit, and we will take that motion on Monday. So I will not discuss it. But I have cried in the affidavit that as a lawyer, what I feel doing the case like that. Now, I know the prayer no, and if cry no, then for all of us as persons in the legal fraternity, say near pay me yana.
Is it say you are
now what you show?
No, withdraw CCR because of what you think would happen on July 3rd.
No, not what you think will happen. Anything because I pray that the court should be a court. Now, your decision, then I will come and I'll comment on the decision. But before then, I'll sound this warning. Some may have any penny because you have any penny more. It stays with us, and it will also be, we will be confronted with it in course of our time.
FM.
And you'll be, or you'll be for. Injustice to anybody is injustice to you.
To everyone, I agree. But lawyer, why would you do a case? You go through all the initial stages. I go through trial. Judge, I'm a data or then a judgment. July 3rd. Now I withdraw. I file application to withdraw.
Me lawyer. I check akra.
Yes.
My share proceedings are okay. Anything say me who sent to be a free abontia. I smell it. And if you some cases near my days of proceedings. Was it name me how was it notwithstanding?
I was over.
Or chebra or chap at day. Okay. And no one case here no Ghana.
That's a Samurai Boy case. They say somebody was shepherding the case. Giddy.
Just a giddy. I say we need who make me. So was it that trial? And then me another case was it a cry? We case no 2 o'clock court.
Really?
I'm telling you.
That's what the judge was doing.
We are going to talk about this now. Bar Association. I'm going to petition the Bar Association also. Say, Bar Association, can we sit and let this go on in Ghana within our jurisprudence? And do we want to turn our courts into persons, institutions?
Yeah, but the Bar Association may not have jurisdiction over the judge.
No, but indeed, Bar Association can speak about it.
Okay,
me and Mika say, I'm speaking my mind. And I want whoever wants evidence to confront me, and I'll show him the evidence.
But if that was the conduct of the judge, I won't petition Chief Justice, Mom.
Well, one option.
Okay.
The other option is that I'm withdrawing and stating the reasons why I'm withdrawing.
Why you are withdrawing
and I'm going before the same judge to state my reasons of resigning before her.
From the case. Before judge.
Yes.
Even before the judgment,
yes.
Who withdraw from the
must
case.
State me reasons of withdrawing before her.
And your client is aware person will withdraw.
Yes, but my client.
And none reaction here.
And I'm home. Obi, me one person. You obi boni na meti ho na me be yamya. I don't like it. See you obi boni na meti ho.
In this case, why any boni?
And it
okay.
Generally.
Okay.
Obi misuso. And I'm sanity. We am boni a. We dey me obi. Because I think that is a way to also teach you to learn. And to be careful because it will be before you. But I'm withdrawing. I'm going to state my reasons for withdrawing.
In court?
Yes, in court. Monday
I will be there. Monday.
No,
Monday I will be there.
Yes.
But on the plea bargain request, how they come age, and not there you would be on.
Yes, we will.
You do that.
We'll be on. Yes.
And they won't withdraw.
Indeed, there's another case. Someone bueno criminal court.
Yeah, criminal court.
I'm still in it.
And your womb still.
I'm still in it.
And with exam bargain.
na betie cross examination.
No, I'll come.
Na be you see na ye hwe
no,
but one thing though,
yes,
Chief Justice, and most of these cases, you telecast it.
Political, very political cases.
No, you mean political, high profile cases.
High profile, okay.
Can you telecast it? But
you should have made call way during the trial. I don't know what trial not ended.
No, me experience and me share. And to me say better obiso. And atu obia yamfanya suade near creating, but we need to correct ourselves. Media, if it will take me to even hand over my license on the basis of injustice, I will so do.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Bobby, trust me, me nim trocha and into so see me and me sorry say me can oh, I don't decorate my language when you see I feel it. But I feel it.
But even on the Exim Bank case, yes, states are filing the charges against your client. Why don't you go through the trial?
Exim Bank?
Yes.
Well, I want to explore this possibility. Now, the me say possibility will for settlement a win-win.
Okay.
You see, the worst form of settlement is better than the best form of judgment, because after the judgment, one is victorious, one is vanquished, and relationships are broken and all that. Now, in most cases, I want to be just to both parties, to all. And however you do your work to bring justice to both parties, I think you would have achieved settlement. And into the makers, because we are predates, and charges now evaluating evidence near there. We could have contested this. At me, let's put our heads together and solve a problem. Because me break say corruption, obi mitis obi say anti-corruption agencies are not happy with plea bargaining. Chairman Wontumi is not charged with any element of corruption. Now, how could
in all the charges,
anything that is affecting him, and to corruption, they don't understand.
Yeah, but it may not be corruption, but if it's fraud, if it's money laundering, those are also serious.
Yes, but they are different charges.
I get you.
But
they are not any better than corruption.
Yes, they are not any better.
Yes.
But if you want to sacrifice somebody, or if you want to hang somebody, give him the correct name and hang him.
I get you.
Now, we say corruption, anti-corruption, because say opa ora say one.
Yes.
What is corruption in this one? Obi kwaji loan so the kwakoye adwuma. Issues ne wo mu no, application ne wo mu no, se document bi wo mu na wo suspect se document no fraudulently acquired. What is corruption about that? In any case, allegation for somebody to prove it. Where you, as an institution, procure consultant for the project.
Yes.
Consultant has a duty. It's a duty to be a consultant. So, fall short of expectation. Why would you saddle me with? And again, don't forget that part of the loan is paying the consultant.
Sure.
But again, we are going to plea.
But that's why some people think, and even some people in your party think, you should have contested this. I mean, go through the trial.
You must be in it to know it. You must feel it to understand it. Chairman Wontumi, we hear the peace for his life. He has a family also. He is a Ghanaian. And we hear na circumstances. In fact, circumstances of the case determine the actions. And the circumstances.
Is it the circumstances tells you as a lawyer having name someone disclosures yet on
no disclosures
but based on what evidence the officers state nikra serious evidence BMI will take you the decision to go for
I did not say it is because we are afraid of evidence of the state. No, I just said this is my advice to my client. Say under the circumstances, and one big thing we need to also consider the hand of state power in criminal proceedings. And you
always very powerful.
And you cry. And sometimes, we say, I could bump so much more bonby. To avoid sumbono, why can't we settle before we do sumboso? So that although I have the strength to also reply you, let's settle it before we get there. I mean, this is what we are seeking to do.
But again, I mean, in the settlement, no, see, ABR, your aim, okay, through the settlement, no, measure say on betia say any drop charges, no. Say bas state they can say on drop charges. The best they can do, they say punishment be on better. So what would you do?
Obi, you are trying to lead me into temptation.
Oh no.
But forgive those who trespass.
The state they can say on drop charges, no.
No, we haven't got it.
The best they can do is to drop punishment.
Punishment follows conviction.
Sure.
Now you know conviction. You are drop punishment.
Yeah, but say under plea bargain, no.
Plea bargain.
Under plea bargain, what it means is that you will not go through trial again.
Yes, but where plea bargaining results in the dropping of the charges.
Yes.
Where is punishment?
That's the point. But I know because one option. The state may not agree to that option.
No, it depends. In all cases, as you know, the answer to every question by a lawyer is it depends.
Very well. My main kind messages kakra abana yenya no na fe yen twaso e kosi saying so higher sempa 94.7.
Yeah, for platform education.
Sure.
Particularly in areas of law.
Yes.
To see as ordinary citizens. Yeah, you hear say you refresh your mind of what is happening even in the areas of law. So
you see on the plead, age in a ebema data, more the best start.
Age of frame electrum ready because my manners are assurances am I ready for it.
That's fine. And what I'll do is say, Monday, I'll be in the court to hear your application for withdrawal, no?
Yes.
From the Samra Boy case.
Yes.
And then we take it from there. But with how the case was conducted, Oshe examination in chief, cross examination, would you be surprised, say, judge, a client or convict a client a sentence?
You are still leading me into temptation, but the charges were assignment without authorization from the minister.
From the minister, yes.
And facilitating the provision of mining support service without ministerial permission.
We need two charges. Against Wontumi.
Against Omubia. Against Ominyina.
On Samra Boy.
On Samra Boy. And we filed a motion in court. Say assignment bia Chairman Wontumi na akunta mining. Ayama Herionkum. Ebi oha mumma a copy as part of disclosures.
Yes.
There is nothing like that.
Okay.
And response to the court to say under land law, New Land Act 2020.
Yes.
Say for assignment to be valid, it must be documented and authenticated and endorsed by signatures.
Sure.
If there is nothing like that, if the law says there's no there's no
law
assignment,
prescribes a procedure
it has to be a valid assignment, and it is not provided, and still my assignment. I say, Emremuno say, Utu na mienua and a chese Watumika.
I was say Wontumi.
I saw 2 million. I saw Watumika.
Boy, few
me baby, boy, few.
Yes.
Me baby, Timakonyasu. Now I charge me say, appear to be Watumika. Now, Miss Mika, me to me 3 in a coin was a debut uncle baby as Watumika. Is this law?
Oh,
this is the situation we have.
Based on the 2 charges, no?
And I say, mining support services providing my way. A providing my Ubia mining. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chairman Wontumi any Akunta mines. There is no evidence to suggest that why mining. And to support services, if it was even so provided, who did they provide it to? Support services provided in a vacuum.
Yeah.
And to say what they ought to be, that's a mean, and me who say, Bola feature, that's a me copra and so
yes.
No Boni Bay and the Maya under the law say Copra will be a feature or Ma Quanya. Nasa Mammy Quine Cry, Nasa Miama Copra. Why would you charge me? The house owner.
Yeah.
So mining support services, it must be delivered to a miner.
And you made all these arguments in court.
Oh my brother.
And it was
in fact,
yes.
In fact, it was rather chairman Wontumi na otro letter call Regional Security Council say illegal miners e wo masase so etu agudie na mumra na mepam wo mu and there is record say
to show
Regional Security Council for na ba bepam nkrofo even in evidence here chana for bikra where are they Emma and no so kra no regional minister then by bedi adanse a oba ho ebehwe ebe chi nkrofo no bi eno achi o say asase mebre wo Ghana ha illegal miners atutu amena aye dangerous onipa kofa ho na dwekura betimi atomu bewu aniti Ghana for as policy no ye say ye encourage community say baby am behu say nkrofo akoye illegal money amotutu amena anadwo betimi di asema ba no community mo amfa community support enam nkokenhum say ne nipa nguo ama World Bank for kura maisika say yam fasika way enkoye land reclamation for illegally mined portions of Ghanaian land na say me yedema mami idea concession say me kotu amna me kotu agudie ewo mikro midwansa na me koye nkrofo tutu ho no me ho say ma mikro me ma hwea me kotu amrem na me as a miner mana concession holder no me nyan hyase no emrana say ehon mo e dangerous ko for obewu nipa kura be ko for obewu na me say ene se ne be yo no me kam amena ni nyina enwu na me nua kube wo ho to reforest the place and also my body.
Wow. I mean, it's good, sir. We'll be charges.
And I make us say, Naka say, Kamu, you walk out to home. Naka, as a phone in a Muslim baby. Namu Tiabi, then some way a king. Politics, a judicial system, no more, and yet one, and yet two, and yet three. And now, Ghana for, Yenina constitution, I'm a sanctuary. A sanctuary in the judicial system.
Yes.
Se big, obi two, obi yo ayakayaka de etiamra, baby a gang crony court.
And a court.
Now the court wants to say, na any ganko brebio. So we cannot sit and allow our sanctuary to be populated by the devils that chase us.
Yeah. Thank you. Lawyer, yeah, that's in the Yami Adoma Monday, a general jurisdiction and
criminal court.
Criminal court. Four. Okay.
Yes.
Yami Adoma Monday, I'll be there. Now, Yabesha argument, in support of the withdrawal application. And we'll do that. Now,
sometimes, we better who's motivation.
Oh.